Craving for hot pot and grill at the same time? What if I told you you can have both, plus a full buffet for one price? Welcome to Tongyang Grill and Shabu Shabu, largest barbecue and shabu shabu chain located at Upper Ground A, Gateway Mall 2, General Araneta, Cubao, Quezon City. This spot is perfect for food lovers looking for variety, comfort, and value. Let's dive in. Let's start your feast at Shabu Shabu Station. Choose from a wide selection of hot pot favorites, peas balls, meat rolls, dumplings, pressed vegetables, mushrooms, and noodles. We went for the Ritz mushroom broth and the all-time Filipino favorite, sinigang broth. Warm, flavorful, and comforting in every sip. Honestly, it's a meal all on its own. While your hot pot simmers, explore their buffet lineup. From crispy vegetable tempura, ebi tempura, gyoza, assorted sushi rolls and sides, to savory dishes like pancit canton, kung pao chicken, sweet and sour pork, and eggplant with minced pork. Every bite is satisfying, best paired with pungent fried rice. Now for the main event. Let's fire things up at the grill station. Choose from pressed seafood fish fillets, shrimps, mussels, clams, and squids, marinated meats of chicken and pork. The variety is insane. But the stars? The premium cuts of beef karubi and pork belly. Grilling at your table, that's where the magic happens. Watch as the meat sizzles, caramelizes, and turns into juicy perfection. But that's just half the fun. Dip them in their signature sauces, and eating them hot off the grill is pure bliss. After all that savory goodness, cool down with pressed fruits like watermelon, papaya, and cantaloupe. Or go all out with desserts, with mini cakes, kakanin, ice cream bars, creamy big scoop ice cream, and everyone's favorite, halo-halo, to end your meal on a sweet note. Quench your thirst with house blend tea, fruit juices, infused water, or even prebiotic sodas. Be the drink and imported canned beers. Here's the best part. This entire experience starts at just 868 pesos on weekdays and 928 pesos on weekends and holidays. Senior citizens and PWDs can dine at discounted rates. And if it's your birthday, you can eat for free with the company of one pool-paying adult or with 4 pool-paying adults within your birth month. Whether it's a small celebration, family gathering, reunion, catch-ups, or just a well-deserved food trip, Tongyang offers the best of both worlds. Hotpot, grill, and buffet in one place. Reserve your table and skip the long lines, especially on peak days. Call or message them at 0977-816-5888 or at the Vikings hotline 8845-4647. Tongyang operates a continuous buffet daily from 11 a.m. to 9 p.m. on weekdays and 11 a.m. to 10 p.m. on weekends and holidays. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more food adventures. See you at the next table. Thank you for watching.